Welcome to this short video tutorial. Today, I'll guide you on how to exit a community on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. You might want to leave a WhatsApp community for personal reasons. Perhaps the content or discussions no longer align with your interests, or maybe the frequent messages are becoming overwhelming. If you're the admin of a group within that community, remember you'll need to leave that group before exiting the community itself. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Swipe right on your chat screen or tap the community icon to access your WhatsApp community screen. Next, find and tap on the community you wish to leave. Once you select the community name, you'll see options like community groups, announcements, and more. Now, tap on the three dots at the top of the screen to open a pop-up menu. From there, select Community Info. Scroll down until you find the option to exit community at the bottom of the screen, alongside the Report Community option. Tap on Exit Community, and a confirmation menu will pop up. Simply tap Exit again to finalize your departure. Keep in mind that when you exit a community, you'll be removed from all groups within that community. Community admins can see who is left within the past week, so you might want to let them know why you're leaving if you feel comfortable doing so. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.